2 weeks ago, I covered the power of the Azure Percept development kit with the camera, creating or deploying existing Azure machine learning algorithms to the camera as my wife was driving me around in downtown Redmond. Today we want to take a look at the other part that you can order with your dev kit, which is the microphone array that allows for speech recognition. The awesome thing is, similar to audio, all the inferencing is actually done on the device itself, so it's basically not sent to the cloud. So if you were to incorporate that as a company, you don't have to be worried that it's always listening or it's sharing your information with anybody, or if you're a brand that wants to instill trust so customer adopt that new technology. And so the use case I want to cover today is specifically around traveling, because everybody starts talking about traveling. I look forward to see you in person on the Microsoft event. I look very much forward to see my family that I haven't seen in almost 2 years. So super exciting that is going to start up again. But we all have been there. We have arrived late at hotels, I would say, where it's just dark and you have your hands full and all you want to go is get into the hotel, and you try to figure out how the different lights goes on because it's not on the switch, it's on the light bulb itself. Or the TV is running and we don't find the TV remote, or maybe we fell asleep with the TV running, wake up, no idea where it is, and it would be so awesome if you could just tell the hotel room to turn it off. But there's also the scenario where you could be injured, right? It could be like, because skiing vacation, that's prone to have people that get injured, and you might be very happy if you could choose your voice to control your environment. Now that whole thing is obviously bigger than just hotel or hospitality. That would apply to healthcare as well as other settings. But let's take a look how it would look in a hotel room. And for that, the Azure Percept Studio has multiple scenarios that you can deploy with a little application so you can see that it actually works. So let's take a look at it. We're here in the portal and we just basically say configure and start using your assistant. And here we have the hotel room. You see a bunch of things. You can create a custom keyword. So if you're Hilton or Marriott and you're watching this, you could name it whatever. I choose the word that you see here. And then now I can give certain commands to which it will listen. So right now you see we have a light that is on, the TV is on, and the temperature is set. So let's say I fell asleep. I wake up, the light is on, and it's one of these lights that you have to go to the light bulb, the little twister that you have to turn, and I want to turn off the TV. So in our case, I could be as simple as talking to the assistant in the room and say, Alfred, turn off TV. Boom, and the TV is off. Alfred, turn off the light. And I don't know about you, light is turned off. 72 is a little bit warm for me to sleep. Since I live here in Seattle, I like it a bit cooler. So I could be, Alfred, set the temperature to 68 degrees. Done. It's as easy as that. Isn't that awesome? And again, all the inferencing happens on the device itself. And so as a hotel, you could really make sure, that guests feel comfortable. They don't feel like there is an assistant that is always listening, and then you have some people analyzing what it didn't understand. But you use the power of the cloud to train it. You could literally change the keyword. You can create your own, and then Azure will train it for you and send it to the device that it's actually listening. It's pretty cool. And so if you are ordering the dev kit with the microphone array, we'll bring you here to the overview where it shows you different things, categories. If you're new to AI models, if you need sample applications, etc. You have sections up here. One is demo and tutorials, where you have the split between vision and speech. And so basically all I did is I went to speech and said, show me the different templates. And you see we have hospitality, we have healthcare, we have inventory and automotive. Because just like I can give it custom names, you can create custom command. You could make commands that are very relevant to you. If you think about a yacht or people on a boat, they have very specific word for left, right, etc., etc. And so you could train all that it understands that language. And again, it runs completely locally on the device itself. And now I would like to hear from you in the comments. What would you build? And even better than just what you would build, why don't you order a dev kit today? I'll put the link in the notes. And then build it and share with me the video you've made. or just reach out and let's see what we can do about it. But that would be really interesting for me to see. And if you haven't done yet, please subscribe to the channel, click the little notification bell so you get notified when I release the next video. And with that, D-Dave Kurt out.